Hello dear friends, welcome back to Atlas Forex. Today the 23rd of July 2010, 11:20 GMT, we present to you the Canadian dollar versus the United States dollar. You can see a monthly chart of the parity, and we will try to show you an application of the Fibonacci scale and talk a little bit about it. Alright, let's see how we can calculate, forecast moves of the parities working with the Fibonacci. Well, this is the way I'm working with the Fibonacci. Alright, here we go. Right there. 2000 December 2001, 9 years back, right here. July 2010. Yes, we applied the Fibonacci in a way. This is the level 1, the level 0, and we estimated how many times this could be the exhausting level for the contrary move. The contrary move, in other words, the fall. You can see what happens. First, it hits the 2618. 2618, very important Fibonacci level, together with the 1618. It rebounds to the previous level, 1982. There is a little bit of excess, of course, as we said yesterday or the day before yesterday. It's not like a train that has inertia. You don't brake and stops. Has some inertia. Then it moves down from 2618 here, then here, 323. Up again, double top, down, not anymore. If you see, it goes up and then 425, back to the previous level, 323, right? Down, up to hit the 425 and reconfirm that now instead of being a support is a resistance, 685. Usually the 685 level is the extension, I would say the overextension of a move. Most of them finish on 425, but if you can see and find the 425, 323 down, see that, be sure you're going to be on the 685. Hey, by the way, this is a filet steak, filet mignon. This is perfect, because everything that happens up here or everything that happens here moving fast, they don't give the opportunity to make good earnings. Of course, you can see that vice versa. You can see that on the upper side. You can see that on an upper move and have again levels between 425 and 685. They are lucrative levels. And you see what happens after the 685? It goes to the 323. The 323. Now, I'll do something more so we understand very well how this whole thing works. I'll do something more. Actually, this is a Fibonacci lesson. It's not the analysis of do that. No, that way. Okay, 685 we said. return 323, which 323 it's also the 050 level between this and this retracement on a Fibonacci scale. Return down. When? Where? What does this represent? Again the Fibonacci. We take the Fibonacci from here down here. No, vice versa. From here down here, and we find out that this lower part, it is the 078 of this retracement. What is next? Hold it. Now the monthly is not, it gives us an indication. Yes, it does. Let's go to see what is that? The daily. Look at the daily. Again, the daily show us with what is the Fibonacci, right? The Fibonacci counts a move from here, there, right? From here, there, to calculate what can be the rebound point, rebound level. Yes, 1982 went to 1392. It creates here a kind of triangle. You can see the triangle here. All right. So now you see the moving averages. Let's go more. Now this is a weekly. We cannot see much from the weekly, but just to try this, so we have the range, as it's called, 09883, whatever, 1087. Let me go back to the daily if we have to say something more. So what is next now? What is next? When it rebounds at 1982, usually it does not come to very high levels, although it would be very understandable if we can see it at 1. So the moment it bursts out of this triangle, you will have an indication of what happens with the parity of this pair. If there are any questions on the Fibonacci issues, of course there are. You're going to ask me, and you're going to ask me, how did you select this and you did not select this, or you did not select any other? Experience, my friends. You have to try. You have to try. The Fibonacci scale has many numbers which were used to find what is a scale universally accepted. And don't forget, Fibonacci scale is a scale accepted by scientists on a universal scale. They insist that the scale of Fibonacci universally calculates so many things nature produces and guides that is accepted as a fantastic, very important scale in counting the universe. Thank you. Bye bye now.